guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well today. So for today's video it's going to be a bit of a tutorial and a bit of a first impressions, as I'm going to be trying out the new limited edition palettes by KVD, the Fetish palettes. These palettes are absolutely stunning. I got both of them, so what I absolutely love about these palettes are they are absolutely huge and they really do stick to the BDSM theme. I don't know if you can see, but KVD actually sketched the eye to be a whip, which I think is awesome. And inside you get 24 beautiful shades and they have 4 different finishes. I think you've got matte, glimmer, glitter and like metallics. They are all stunning, so I can't wait to use it. I'm not too sure what I'm actually going to be creating today, but I also love that it's got a huge mirror in there, as I do love a palette with a mirror. And as for the blush palette, the blush palette comes with 3 beautiful blushes and highlighters. This highlighter here I've swatched and it is my absolute favourite, as it's got like a really purpley blue undertone to it. So if you want to see me create a look using this palette, keep on watching. So for blush, for this look today, I really want to dip into the shade Coven, as it's a really beautiful lavender tone. So I'm going to see how that goes. It's really quite pale in colour, so I'm just going to dip into the shade Bathory. Oh, yeah, that's got pigmentation to it. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna have to like tone that down a bit, as you guys know I go super red all the time. So, but I really do like the Coven shade. It's really quite subtle. But the Bathory, please comment down below if I'm saying that completely wrong. That has got such pigment to it. Ooh. But fuck it, we're gonna go with a nice sexy look today. Ooh. I think that's quite pretty. But to also match it, for highlighter I am going to be going into Telepathy, as that is just so stunning. Oh, it's just got every shade of glitter in there. There's pinks, purples, blues. Beautiful. I love how every time I film a tutorial, my cat Misty comes and like tries to join in. She's always like walking around. No. Now my dog is trying to eat my makeup, which isn't good. But look how cute my baby is, look. Oh! The first shade we're going to be dipping into is the shade Safe Word. We're going to pat this onto the crease and just lightly blend in circular motions up the eyelid. The next shade we're going to dip into is the shade Bondage, and we're just going to bring this a little bit lower than the crease and blend together with Safe Word. I'm then going to take a flat synthetic brush and dip into the shade Dominatrix and put this half over my eyelid. I'm then going to apply the shade Rubber to my outer corners. I'm then going to add a wing using Kat Von D's dagger liner. I'm then going to dip back into the shade Bondage and place this under my lower lash line. Taking a small pencil brush, I'm then going to dip back into the shade Rubber and also apply this to my outer corners on the lower lash line. I'm then going to apply some Kat Von D lash liner. For mascara, I'm going to be using Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes. For lashes, I'll be using Peaches and Cream in the number 24. For lipstick, I'm going to be using Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Witches. Over the top, I'm just going to apply some clear gloss from Primark. Thank you for watching this video. I do hope you like it. The look didn't really turn out how I wanted it to. I think I probably should have set my eyelids a little bit better or used a different product, as I don't necessarily think those shadows worked with the base I had used. So I will give it another shot because the colours are perfect. I think it was just more a case of the shadows weren't sticking as well as I wanted them to. Also, that was the first time I had used the dagger liner, and for some reason this wing just wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So I think that's the thing with like first things, you kind of have to give them a couple of tries until you get it spot on. But I do absolutely love the Fetish palettes and I will definitely use them quite a lot, and I do think you should go out and buy them because they're limited edition and they're too pretty not to. So as usual, if you have liked it, remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as getting out there on YouTube is pretty hard. And for more makeup looks and everything like that, follow me on Instagram, which is ChristinaCMUA. And yeah, hope you come back to watch the next video. See you later.